Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Bybit. So let's get started. Open your Bybit application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're in this main home page, tap on the human icon at the top left hand corner. Now, you'll be able to see an invite friends option. Simply go ahead and tap on it. And then on the next page, you'll be able to see this information. Inviting your friends on Bybit will help you earn up to 1025 USDT and 30% commission. Simply go ahead and tap on the invite friends button at the bottom of the screen and you'll be able to see a QR code to join in to Bybit. You'll be able to see the QR code and the code to join in to Bybit. Tap on copy link and go ahead and select one of the social media applications from the bottom, such as email, WhatsApp, Telegram, and much more. You can also select the more button and directly choose the contact you'd like to invite. After selecting the contact, you'll be able to send them the invitation. Soon after you do that, your friend will need to click on your referral link or enter your referral code during their registration process on Bybit. And once a person is referred by you, you and your friends may receive rewards such as commission discounts, bonuses, or other incentives. So that is how you can easily invite friends on Bybit. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.